SoCal 9904 Whiskey Yankee, frequency change to Van Nuys, please.
4 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys, Tower 19-3, have a good night. Baron 4 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower 119.3.
Mayday. 9904 Whiskey Yankee, we have window crack.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, how do you hear? Southwest 1937, cross South cut above 4, cleared ILO Zulu 8 approach, just acknowledge your ident. That it. November 994 Whiskey Yankee, SoCal approach.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, you on frequency.
Van Nuys, ready. 9994 Whiskey Yankee. We have window crack, immediate landing. I cannot hear you.
All right, 9994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and clear to land.
Ready. 9994 Whiskey Yankee. We need to land soon.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right shortened, cleared to land.
Ready, 9994 Whiskey Yankee. We have window crack, we cannot hear anything. Immediate landing, runway 16 right.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and clear to land.
We need medical.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and cleared to land. What is the nature of the medical emergency, if you can hear this transmission?
We have runway inside spread in. We need a medical.
4 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, understood. We've got emergency vehicles that'll be standing by, runway 16 right short and clear to land. Crash 114 Van Nuys, aircraft is approximately a mile and a half final, and as soon as they get over threshold, we'll get you guys going. Unknown nature of the medical emergency.
Copy that, Van Nuys ground. Van Nuys, we have runway at short final, we need to land soon.
Alright, 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and clear to land.
Clear to land.
4 Whiskey Yankee again, use caution, runway 16 right is shortened, sir.
Baron 4 Whiskey Yankee, we landed safely, thank you so much, and then we're going to take it the runway and taxi to southwest corner, we need a medical.
4 Whiskey Yankee, understood. Do you want to just get the medical assistance on taxiway officer?
Negative, we're going to taxi to southwest corner and I need medical there in American Aviation, please.
4 Whiskey Yankee, understood. Taxi southwest corner via Alpha. What is the nature of the medical emergency, sir?
Okay, we have a cockpit window crack. I think we hit something, I'm not sure what, but my window was okay and suddenly it's cracked and my my other pilots got a lot of blood here because of the window crack. I think we got a bird strike. We already at the American Aviation hangar, everything is good. Thank you so much for the help. Oh, we're freezing cold here. Lucky we're landed safely. We got a lot of blood inside the cockpit and then we got a lot of fender here, so it's confirmed positive. We got a big bird on final, and that's what's the cause.
I called Mayday. I landed, everything's smooth. Van Nuys Tower, I cannot hear them. So my partner got all blocked and then maybe just scratched in the chin. But after we landed, we just realized that it was a bird and then it stuck on the ceiling there. So it's pretty big bird, I believe. Yeah, it's so dangerous at night and we cannot see anything.